Welcome guys. Today I have for you an Okamoto ACC 618DX3. This machine is wired for 220 volts. Well, just get started. We do have a 618 variable chuck on top of the machine right here. You can go ahead and variate it with this over here, along with turn on and off the chuck. So we will put that on and we'll just crank it up all the way. Go ahead and demonstrate that with my knife. As you can see, we're on right now. We do have the small coolant tank right off to the side. Over here we do have our two hand wheels. This one is going to be for our table left and right. Go ahead, push it in, and go left and right. There is a proximity switch right here that talks to our adjustable dogs. We can go ahead, unloosen it, and bring it on to any position you'd like. This right here will be for our saddle, in and out. You also do have a fine feed adjustment as well. And you do have the adjustable dogs to the side right here that you can adjust. I'm just going to go ahead, pull it out a little bit so that we don't crash, and then you can tighten it down and you're good to go. This will be our throttle control for the table left and right. Keep that closed for right now. Then we have our cross-feed controls right over here to change our cross-feed amount, continuous, step feeding, and manual feed as well. So with all that being said, to bring our head up and down, we do have a couple different options. We could rapid it up and down, which I'll demonstrate, and also do it with this little hand wheel as well. So let's get started and put our hydraulics on. We'll also put on the grinding wheel as well. Really quiet machine. Go ahead, demonstrate our rapid up and down. That's up, and let's go down. And then if we bring it on over one selection, you could go ahead and bring the hand wheel up and down with this knob right here. So this machine does do a couple different grindings. It does do plunge and traverse grinding. Right now I do have it in the traverse setting. So after you get everything all dialed in, just gonna throw quick numbers on here. You're practically ready to start grinding. So go ahead, choose your direction. Make sure our hand wheels are pulled out. And then we could open up the throttle and see our table go. As you can see, every time it hits the reversal, I have it set so it infeeds at the end of each reversal, but I can swap it over to just one side or both sides, and the plunge as well. So we can change the speed with this dial right here. Indicated on this little reader right here, we are moving in a little bit slower. You could change to step feed to only feed on one side, as it's doing right now. And then you do have the continuous as well, which means it will just feed back and forth with no regards for the reversal. Bring this back into our step feed for the rest of the cycle over here. The machine will automatically park itself to the right hand side after it's finished with its spark out cycle. These knobs right here will indicate how much you want to feed down, how much you're going to feed for the fine feed, so on and so forth. May as well turn on the coolant tank as well for a couple seconds. Just like the rest of the machine, it's very quiet. I don't like to run them dry, so I will be turning that off right now. Just to speed this up a little bit, I'm going to throw it back to continuous. We do have our nice light right here. We are in the middle of our spark out cycle, but we do have a light up top along with a nice manual dresser right here. Go ahead, run this dial up and down depending on what you want to do. And just like that, your cycle is done. You can see how it parks itself. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and run a quick plunge. And we'll put 2 on that. We'll run a quick plunge for you guys. And I have it set so every time it hits its left or right reversal, it'll down feed. As you can see right there, pretty quick process. Quick spark out, and off to the side I will demonstrate that just one more time as it's a quick cycle. Feel free to reach out to us if you'd like to see this under power. Again, this is going to be the Okamoto ACC 618DX3, wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.